OppFi Credit Card. The OppFi Card is among the most atrocious credit cards we've ever reviewed. With a high $99 annual fee, and ridiculously high 35.99% fixed standard APR, the card offers no rewards and hardly any benefits. We do not recommend applying for this card. Even among those whose credit leaves them with few other options, we'd still recommend exhausting those other options, both non-credit card financing products, and the best cards for those with poor credit. Pros: no deposit required. Mobile and online banking features. No impact to credit score during application. Cons: $99 annual fee. 2% of each transaction in US dollars foreign transaction fee. High 35.99% fixed standard APR. The OppFi Card perches among the most vulturous, exploitative cards we've seen. We understand unsecured lending to the least creditworthy consumers poses risk for lenders. Lenders are often said to charge fees and raise APRs to offset higher risks, but with rates like the 35.99% fixed standard APR this card offers, we're skeptical this card is a good idea for anyone. For many, carrying a balance is unavoidable, so paying attention to a card's APR remains an important consideration. High-interest borrowing risks trapping consumers in debt, and should be a last resort for anyone in need of unsecured funding. We recommend exploring home equity lines of credit, or other types of secured borrowing, before moving on to personal loans, and then credit cards. Credit card APRs are notoriously high, and are therefore not generally the best option for borrowing money. It is financially healthier to use credit cards as tools for convenience and credit building, not as primary financing tools. You should also know that even though the card says it offers a maximum credit line of $1,000, the true amount of your limit when you open the account will be $901, as the $99 will immediately eat into your available credit. If you need a revolving credit product with a $1,000 credit line, but are faced with few options because of poorer credit, we advise working toward building credit using a secured card. Then, once your credit has improved, apply for an unsecured card without an annual fee, and without egregious standard APRs. When none of these options are possible, only then consider a product like the OppFi Card. If you do apply for the OppFi Card, create a plan to ensure you won't be trapped in a vicious cycle of debt. OppFi Card benefits: mobile and online banking, convenience of the click with alerts, and account monitoring via phone or computer. Tap to pay. Cardholders can use chip-enabled cards to avoid inserting or swiping at the register. Card freeze. Prevent transactions from being approved by turning your card on and off. Interest rates. Regular APR, 35.99% fixed. Purchase intro APR offer, 35.99% fixed APR on purchases. Fees. Annual fee, $99. Balance transfer fees, not applicable. Cash advance fees, $5 or 5% of the amount of each cash advance, whichever is greater. Foreign transaction fees, 2% of each transaction in US dollars.